Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Hello YouTube, hope you guys doing well. In this video we are going to change the air filter. Since I have changed the air filter of around 13k kilometers, and now only I am changing my air filter, and you can see how the dirt is surrounded by the filter. It's a quite lengthy process because it's hard to remove the tank and other fittings inside the tank. You need a lot of patience to do this process, and you must be so careful to do this. But for some reasons I am making this video for all to just know about how to clean this, but because this is a toughest job in this bike, because it's not like the 220s and all. You have the tank air filter besides the tank. You will see the box there. Just unscrew the screws. Be careful while removing the tank. Yeah. This is the inner side of the filter. We will just show you the outer pic. See, you can see the outer filter and the new one which we are going to replace. We have just installed it. So this will increase the airflow and pump, so you can squeeze the bike at easy speeds. Be careful with these rubbers and other electronic circuits inside the bike. Just fit as it is. I will just make another video regarding how to remove the tank and regarding the tank vibration issues. Surprisingly, the air filter lasts for 13k kilometers, but it's necessary to change at least 10k kilometers. Be careful while fitting the tanks. Thank you guys for watching. Do like, share, support, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.